Hi guys, here we have an Archos phone, Archos Cobalt 50. So there's a passcode in the device. So let's try to unlock it using hard reset. So first thing you need to do is to power off your phone. And next you need to push and keep the power button and the volume button in the same time, like this. So let's do it again. You need to push and keep the volume down button first and after, as you can see. And now you have a menu, so you need to select recovery mode. There's recovery mode and fast boot mode and normal mode. So you navigate with the volume down and you select with the volume up. So volume down, recovery mode, and you select the recovery mode. Let's wait for the recovery mode. Perfect. So now you just need to push the volume up and the volume down and the power button in the same time, like this. And here we are in the recovery mode, so we need to select wipe data factory. So we navigate with the volume up and the volume down and we select with the power button. Select yes. Perfect, it's done now. So we reboot the system. It will take more time than usual, so I will speed up the video and see you in the end. Perfect, so it's done now. You just need to know something. If the phone is linked to a Google account, it will be locked through the factory reset protection. So you need to unlock it. If you are in that case, go check my channel where I share some tips allowing you to unlock your phone. So let's set up the phone. Let's see if the phone is locked. So we need to connect to Wi-Fi. So as you can see, the phone is locked. So please go check in the description.